In this video, I will show you how to build a complete automation system that captures your leads, updates your CRM, and sends follow-up emails automatically without writing a single line of code. Most freelancers lose hours every week copying details from forms, spreadsheets, and emails. None of that generates revenue. So let's fix that. Here is the system we are building. When someone fills out your inquiry form, Zapier detects that submission. It then stores the client data inside your CRM structure and sends a professional email instantly. So, no manual work. This ensures you never miss a lead and every client receives a fast response. Now, let's build it. Open Zapier in your browser and now create a new Zap. Now, click Trigger. Remember, every automation starts with a trigger. In our case, the trigger is when someone submits a Google form. So choose Google Form as a trigger app. Once it is selected, now from the drop down of trigger event, select new form response. And then you have to connect your Google account. I have already connected mine. Now click continue. And now you have to select your inquiry form. In our case, the name of inquiry form is leads form. So we have selected that and then click continue. After continuing, you have to test the trigger. In test trigger, you have to verify your records like this. You have to select the form in which you have already filled the data. You have to match that data. In our case, the name was Sarah and email was sarah.mitchell@brightco. So now let's continue with the selected record. We will move to next step and select Google Sheets as our app for next action. Once Google Sheet is selected, in the action event field, you have to select create spreadsheet row from multiple options. I will show you the Google Sheet that I have already created and you can see there is no data yet. We will use Google Sheets as a simple CRM for demonstration. After you click continue button, you need to select the location of your spreadsheet. And in our case, it is Google Drive. Now, let's select my Google Drive and select the spreadsheet. In our case, the name of spreadsheet is agency leads. So we have selected that. And we also have to select the worksheet. Now you can check it is sheet 1. Sheet 1 is selected. Next, you will see number of fields like name, email, budget, service, date. Now the important part is the mapping of fields properly. Now let's do it step by step. The first, we have to map the name. In the name section, you select the name field and map it and select it. And now let's move to email. Email, click plus sign and then select the email from the form. And similarly, select the budget field from the form and map it. Next, move on to service field. Select the service field and map it. And now it's time to map the date. Select the timestamp date and click continue and test the step. Now publish it, and we will see that a new row of data is created in our spreadsheet. Let's see it. See, this matters. Every lead is now structured and stored automatically. No copy pasting, no manual tracking, no missed information. Your freelance business becomes organized instantly. Now let's add intelligence. Edit Zap and click Add Action again, and now choose Gmail. In the next step, from the action event, we have to select Send Email and click Continue. Here we will fill the email details. In the To section, we will have to select, or rather map, the email ID from the form data. Just search for email and select email. You can also add CC or BCC emails, and from section you have to select your default or company email ID, and from name section you have to type your name here, and in the subject you can type new inquiry received or inquiry received. And now we will write a email. In the body section you have to type address the person like hi, and then for the name you have to map the name from form data, and then you can type thank you for reaching out regarding, and here you can map the service section from the form data. Select service needed, and then we will continue with our email. We have received your inquiry and noted your budget range of, and now you have to select the budget, or rather map the budget from the form data. Once it is completed, we will, you can write, we will review the details and respond shortly with next steps. And then press continue. then test this step and publish it. You can give any name for the version of this app created. A green notification confirms it is submitted successfully. Now let's submit a live form. Fill out all the details of the inquiry form like name, email, services required, etc. and click submit. Wait a few seconds and you will see that the agency leads spreadsheet is filled with new client data. And now open your inbox. You will see the email sent automatically. This is the power of automation. Once this is active, every future inquiry follows this system. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. This simple workflow does three important things. Number one, eliminates manual data entry, and secondly, increases response speed, and thirdly, structures your client pipeline. Even saving 10 minutes per lead adds up significantly over time. As your freelance business grows, automation becomes essential. Manual processes don't scale, systems do. So build systems early, they compound over time, and thanks for watching this video.